Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the three important points from the C. First is what is the important to write a C program. Second is C library, and third one is IDE. Then don't waste our time. We will go and let's go and see. First of all, what is the important to write the program? We need to write a program. There is a four important things. First of all, we need a variable. Second is a method or a function, and third one is a library, and fourth is the IDE. Okay, first of all, you can see here that is the first one is a variable and methods. Variables and methods we seen in the last video. Okay, today we are going to discuss about a library and IDE. Then what is mean by library? All of you know about the library. All of you heard about the library. Whenever you are going in the school or whenever you are going in the college, there is the library, means a collection of books are available. You can go there and you can collect a book from there. That's called a library. Okay, in that here also same. Library in the C is a collection, many collections of many things. Okay, in every programming language having a library, in every programming language having a library. Okay, then what is mean by IDE? IDE means a integrated development environment. Okay, what is that one? We will see in the next slide. First of all, we will see about a library. Okay, library is a collection of a header file. Library means a collection of a header file. Then what is the header file? Okay, what is the header file? We have to see. Before that, we will going to see what are the predefined functions. Means last video we seen about the functions. Many functions are inbuilt or predefined in a C language. Many functions are predefined in a C language. Okay, in the C language there are the many functions that is in a predefined. Okay, here also the predefined function, whenever all predefined functions are collected together, okay, collected together, or related predefined functions are collected together, it's called as header files. And when the header files are collected together, it's called as library. Means in the library there are the number of header files, there are a number of header files, and in a header files there are a number of functions, means we can directly use that header file in our program. We no need to write every time function. Okay, see here, I have given the some examples of a header files. First is the stdio.h. It's called as standard input output header file. It is a standard input output header file. Second is the console.h. That is the console.h. That is con.io.h. It is a header file. Third header file is a string.h. It is a string header file. Fourth one is a mat.h. That is the mathematical header file. Then fifth is a graphical header file, and last is a DOS header file. I have written here a few header files. Many header files are available in a C language. You can go and check on the internet also. Okay. Then next, these header files are most important header files, whatever I said to you now. Okay, I will explain some header files in front of you. Okay, see here in front of me one diagram is there. In that diagram I have written all header files. First I have written the stdio.h, that is standard input output header file. In that I have written two functions, that is printf function and scanf function. Okay, then what is mean by printf function? Printf function means it is used to print any written word or any written sentence. Okay, it is used to print our values. Okay, it is used to print anything. Okay, what we have to print in the C language, that time we are using printf function. Then second is a scanf function. Whenever we have to take anything from the user, that time we are using a scanf function. And then next is a console input output function. Okay, that is a con.io.h header file. In that two functions are available, that is mainly used functions, that is clear screen, that is CLRSCR. It is used to clear a screen. Then next is the get ch. It is used to hold a screen. Then next header file is a string.h. String.h. It is used to count the number of strings. Okay, in that many functions are available, but two functions I have written here. First is the string length. String length, it is used to count the length of a string. Then what is in by string? String means word. Okay, whatever our words are there, our sentence are there, it is all counted in a string. Okay, whenever I want to count my strings letters, that time I am using the string length function. Means suppose I want to count the name, that is I have taken the name learn. I want to count each and every word from the learn. That time I am using string length function. Then next is string reverse. Reverse. String reverse is used to reverse a. It is used to reverse a string. Okay, reverse a string. Suppose I want to write something A B C and I want to do reverse C B A. Okay, that time we can use a reverse function. Then next is the graphics.h. It is mostly used for a to create a gaming purpose. Okay, whenever we are creating a gaming purpose software, that time we are using graphic.h. Okay, with the help of this we can, with the help of C, we can create small games like a snake game. Okay, just like that we can create with the help of C. Then graphic.h. Okay, graphic.h is used to related graphic things. Okay, I have given one function, that is a red color. Okay, suppose we have to read the color, we have to give the color, that time I am using the red color function. Then next is a math.h. It is mostly used for mathematical functions. Okay, in that first is a rewind. I want to rewind my letter, rewind my word, that time I am using the rewind function. Then next is a power function. Power function is used to calculate the power or index of anything. Okay, used to calculate the power of number. Then next is the DOS.h. DOS.h, it is a mostly related, it is a console. It is a used for the console, and whenever we have to we want a date, we want a time, that time we are using the DOS.h. Okay, in that get date and get time, it is the two important functions are available. Okay, I have given here sample of example. Many functions are available in the C library. Okay, I have given the most used functions here. In that C here, you can see collection of header file means a library. See here, stdio.h, conio.h, string.h, graphic.h, mat.h and dos.h. These all are the header files, and that are combined together, it's called as library. And whenever the related functions are combined together, that time it's called as a header file. Means the definition for the header file is a collection of a related function. It's called as collection of a related predefined function. It's called as a header file, and collection of a different header files, it's called as a library. Okay, then next important part is the IDE. Then what is the IDE? IDE is a integrated development environment. IDE is a integrated development environment. Okay, then what is the use of that? See, whenever someone is teaching to you, or somebody is teaching in the classroom, what he needed a environment. Means he need a blackboard, he need a chalk, he need a duster, he need a book, and he need in front of that students. Okay, just like that, this is the environment. Okay, this is the environment. I have given the example of a classroom. This is a environment, means we need a environment. Just like that, to develop a C program, we need a environment, we need a software, we need an environment. It's called as a IDE. It's also called as IDE, that is the integrated development environment. Okay, environment is different environment for different languages. Just like that, for C we need environment, for CPP we need environment, for Java we need environment. Each and every language, in each and every computer language, needs a environment. Then C and CPP need, first what it needed? First it needed the OS. C and C, we first need a OS. Means it is a, first of all, it is a platform dependent. That's why we need a OS. First of all, we need a Windows, Mac or Linux. Which PC is available in front of you or which OS is available with you, that we needed. Then after, we need the IDE, means we need a software. We need a IDE, means we need a software. First of all, IDE is a not a perfect environment to run a program. It is a duplicate environment. It is a duplicate environment because whenever we are learning something, that time we can't go directly in on that platform, okay, and we can't understand. That's why it given to us, that is the IDE. It given to us a IDE. In the market, there are the number of IDEs are available. In the market, there are a number of IDEs are available. First of all of you maybe heard about that IDE, that is the Turbo C. Okay, Turbo C is IDE is available. Then Linux on the Linux directly, G++ compiler plus your IDE is available, means terminal is available. Okay, just like that, each and every different OS, different IDEs are available in the market. You can check on the Google one time. Then I have said to you 2 IDEs, that is the mostly used IDEs. Then IDE having the blue screen. Okay, IDE having the blue screen, and it is divided into the 2 parts. Okay, it is divided into a 2 parts. Most of I am saying about this IDE. This IDE is of a Turbo C. Okay, this is from Turbo C. Turbo C having the 2 parts. It is divided into the 2 parts. First is the blue. First is a blue and second is a black. Blue and black. Blue is used to edit the program. Blue is used to edit a program. And black is used to console a program. Black is used for the console. Black is used for a console. Then see here in this diagram, I have taken the 2 different parts. That is, first is a blue IDE, second is a black IDE. Blue screen, and second is a black screen. First screen you can see here. First is the program. I have written one program, and with the help of blue window or edit window, I can write a program, I can save my program, I can compile my program, and I can run my program. But on the console, we can only see the output. We can only see a output. And these both window are available on our one IDE. These both window are available on our one IDE. Whenever we are using the blue screen, that time black screen is a minimizer. And whenever we are using the black screen, that time blue screen is a minimizer. Means we can use both the screen at a one time, but we have to use one by one. Whenever we are running the program, that output will become on the console screen. Okay, and whenever we have to edit the program, we will go on the blue screen. Okay, I hope so all of you understand up to here. From next lecture, we are starting our actual C programming, how to write the program. Okay, thank you so much for attending my lecture. I hope so all of you like it. Like means like the video, then share the video, subscribe the video. Thank you so much for attending my lecture.